You're sitting in a super quiet room. Louder than your teacher's voice. Why did that happen? Let's find out. Something inside your belly is making wild noises, almost like a hidden monster under your desk. The sound rolls and rumbles, growing louder when everyone else is quiet. It has a super silly name, borborygmi. That funny word means your stomach is working hard, even when you think it is empty. Deep inside, muscles and food are busy moving and bubbling. Ready to find out how your tummy pulls off this noisy trick? Let's shrink down and explore the rumble zone inside your belly. Inside your belly, there are powerful muscles that never take a break. They squeeze and squish food, drinks, and even kind of like kneading pizza dough or squeezing toothpaste. These muscles help mix everything up, turning big bites into mushy bits. They also push things along a long, twisty path. If you stretched out your stomach and intestines, they'd be about as long as a school bus. That's a lot of room for things to slosh and bubble. The squeezing muscles make noise as they move stuff around, almost like shaking a half-full water bottle. Even when your stomach filmics, these muscles keep working. But why do the noises get even louder when you're hungry? Let's zoom in and find out. When your stomach is empty, there is nothing to block the sounds inside. Any leftover food or air has plenty of room to swirl and bounce. It is a lot like walking into a big empty gym. Your footsteps echo and sound louder than usual. The same thing happens in your belly. Stomach muscles keep squeezing, even without food coming in. They push tiny bits of food and pockets of air through your twisty intestines. The gurgle and growl you hear comes from food, liquid, and gas sloshing around, bumping into the walls inside you. Sometimes, the growl is so loud, you think the whole room can hear it. That noisy belly is your body working hard behind the scenes. Now that we know what's causing all that rumbling, let's see why these noises are actually a sign that your body's doing its job. Those silly growls are actually good news for your body. Every rumble means your stomach and intestines are mixing and moving food like a team of superheroes. They crush, squeeze, everything, so you can get energy for running, playing, and thinking. Even when your belly sounds noisy, it is just getting ready for your next meal or finishing up the last one. Did you know some animals have even louder stomachs than people? Crocodiles and big dogs can make growls you could hear across a room. So, next time your tummy talks, remember, it is your body's way of saying, I am working hard for you. Let's wrap up our journey inside the belly and remember what we learned today. Every time your stomach growls, it means your body is hard at work, moving food, air, and drinks along that twisty path inside you. There is nothing wrong with those noises. It just means your belly is doing its job, even when you are not eating. Today, we explored the noisy journey inside your belly and discovered why those rumbles happen. Your amazing body never stops working for you. See you next time for another adventure with the Curiosity Crew.